What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TC. We back with another video. In today's video I'm about to go get my mid muffler done on the Challenger so I've been saying I was gonna get this for a while now, but now I'm finally finna do it. I'm going to my boy's shop. He said come at 8:30, but I text him. If he don't text me back, I'm gonna end up just going to another shop down by where my barber shop is. So we finna just go ahead. I'm gonna give y'all the code star right now, what it sound like, just with the ends deleted. I just got the resins deleted. It's the only thing I got deleted, so yeah, that code star. Put the splitter on there. Got the splitter up. I had took this plastic dip off because when I went to the tire shop, they messed all the plastic dip up. So I'm about to re-plastic dip it. You see, these ones are still black and the back was not, so I'm about to re-plastic dip them. But they look kind of good like that still though, I don't know. But I just like the black look though. Y'all let me know in the comments what should I do. See that? I like how this is black though still. How the Dodge is black still. Try to see it though. Splitter. Hey, I think I should put some on my splitter. What y'all think I should put on the splitter? Maybe drop down in the comments what I should write on the splitter. Like, I got my YouTube already right here on my car, but I think I'm gonna keep this Challenger though. I don't think I'm finna go ahead and trade it in. I don't think I'll keep it, so I basically can do anything I want to it. I don't know. Oh, we need some gas. We need some gas. I don't think I'm gonna get gas over here though. But yeah, y'all see, we need some gas in this thing. But yeah, so we about to go down to the shop right now. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. Hold on, let me show you. So the Taki lady, she drive a Taki truck. Y'all know the ships Takis. She hit my damn car yesterday, right? She backed into me. Backed into my car. Took up all the paint right here. Boom. Boom. I didn't even see it. My homeboys had seen it. They watched her do it or whatever. So she didn't smack my car. They had to calm me down because I went out there tripping on her because I wasn't playing that. So I went out there tripping on her. She was so scared. I'm like, bro, how the hell can't you see that? Like, my car is lime green. Like, how can't you see a bright lime green vehicle? Like, I just don't understand. So they had to calm me down. I ended up getting the insurance and all that, but then her boss, yeah, but her boss was like, can I just I have a body shop that you can take it to, because I'd rather not go through insurance. I'm thinking because he doesn't want to have to fire her basically for damaging or hitting another vehicle while in a business truck, a company truck. So he was like, I got a body shop for you to go to, I'll pay for it. So I called the body shop yesterday. He's already on board. He was like, just drop it off, because they have to pay for it regardless and all that. But when I went to I'm thinking it's somewhere close by me, but well, it's still close, but when I look, I'm thinking it's like 10 minutes from where I stay at basically. But when I Google it, it's in Boulder City. We in Las Vegas, so I gotta take that little 20-30 minute drive to Boulder City, which isn't nothing. It's not bad. to drop my car off so he can get it fixed or whatever. But they gonna have to repaint the whole bumper. It has to be done right, cause I don't want no matte color on my bumper, and my car not matte color, right? You feel me? But I'm also finna get my car wrapped too as well. My boy just went and got his hood wrapped. He went and got his hood wrapped, and I sent him like pictures of what I wanted wrapped on my car, so he can ask him, basically get an estimate price for it. And the estimate price was for what I want, for just like the front of it basically is $200. So I just want to start with the front, but I know for surely I'm gonna go to roof too, but I'm gonna start with the front first. Start with the front first, and then go from there. But I'm stuck between two colors. But I'm gonna put both colors. I'm gonna put a picture of like how I want the wrap to be, and then nah, I ain't even gonna do that. That's a surprise. I'm gonna surprise her with the wrap. But I'm gonna just put two colors. Well, pick between purple and black type shit. Okay, so look, this one, I'm gonna put the two pictures in there, but it's not gonna be the actual wrap I'm getting. It's just gonna be two pictures of that color on the vehicle. So y'all would know exactly how the wrap is gonna be. It's just gonna be them two colors. So y'all write down in the comments what y'all think color I should do. But yeah, we currently on the road, about to go to the wrap shop. Well, not to the wrap shop, to the muffler shop, to see if he busy. Now he told me to come at 8:30 yesterday, because I wanted to come yesterday, but every time I go, he always got somebody on the forklift. So it's like I can never get my car done. But if he got somebody on today, I'm gonna just go right there on Rancho to where I went before. Look, YouTube, I'm finna expose him right now. I'm about to expose him. Look at this. Let me expose him. Look at this. You see this car in this forklift? I'm exposing him. Look at this. I thought I was supposed to be 8:30. Look at this. Look. You see, it's somebody on the forklift. Ask this man what's going on. Why this car on the forklift, huh? Tell me.
I'm about to get it down.
Come on, why is this car up here?
I'm about to get it down to take your review.
Look at this. Why is this car up here? He do this to me all the time. All the time. He always so damn busy. Car always on the goddamn forklift, man. What tires is these? Do I need some new tires? No, I do not. Oh, that's the weak ass tires they gave me right here.
I got all the tires here.
No, he got some new tires in this bitch. I wish I had them 305 rims. Look at this. He got all types of tires now. Y'all need some tires, man. Come up here. He got everything y'all need. Come down here and come get right. For all you 305 drivers, he got 305s. Come on now. What's this? 275, 30, 20. 305. Here go another 305 right here. 275, 40, 20. This is my tire right here. We about to go ahead and hide this in the back though. We're another one now. I'm finna hide these in the back. Now let me find another one, because it's going straight to the back. I promise you. Just so when I need it. It's here. What's this? 345? Yeah. Let me find another one, bro. I promise you I'm finna hide it. 275, 40, 20. Yep, look. I'm hiding it. Look. We're gonna go ahead and hide these in the back. These two. We hiding these in the back. I'm gonna come get it. I'm finna hide these in the back. So when I need them, they here. Look at this. We finna put these bitches in the back. Look. We put them where all the other tires is at. So ain't nobody gonna know. Look. We gonna set these things right here. Boom. Blend in. It's gonna blend in. I'm a fool, ain't I? These gonna be my 275. Where the other one at? We finna hide these motherfuckers. Yeah, look. This my dog, so you know, we come up here playing. Where should I put this one at? So I'm gonna put this one right here. Bang. Look at that. They're my tires. Oh look, he wanna be nice today. Look, he know I was finna come talk shit. Appreciate it. Cause he got somebody on his damn forklift. He went and got him a freshie last night. Look at this haircut. He had a barber in here last night cutting. The barber came and got you right, huh?
How much are your private equipment?
He came and got right by the barber.
Huh?
I seen you last night. I seen the barber in there cutting.
How much are you gonna do with the privates?
Probably 80.
80 a private? I think I'm gonna get you. My barber's leaving in 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Like for good?
Yeah.
Ooh, shit.
So I'll look for another barber.
Hell yeah. Okay. Yeah, he know. Come on now, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get this this little minivan off the fort, man. It don't deserve to be up here.
Waiting for the person.
Yeah, y'all need some tires, man. Come down here. He can order your tires. He can get your tires next day. Whatever you need. Look, these are tires I had on my car right here. That I got from over there. They match my tires up. What's this right here? A warm. Yeah. He always gonna put his copyright on. So when he doing the thing, the camera gonna be on, but the volume ain't gonna be on because he got copyrighted music on. Here, another 40 right here. I should go 40s all around, huh? But yeah, you see that. You see, look, I'm probably gonna take this plastic dip off too. Let me go ahead. My hand's dirty, so I need some hand sanitizer. Oh, it's right there in the doorway. But yeah, YouTube. I'm gonna get right back with y'all when he start. So.
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it.
Popped all the way through. Sir. Sir, shout out to my boy. Sir. Yes, sir. Look at this motherfucker. This motherfucker hot. Tell me this ain't hard. This motherfucker hard. This shit hard as a motherfucker. Shit look good. Video on my phone on how my shit sounded right now. Let me turn around. It sounds good. It sounds real good. It sounds a lot better. I'm telling you. Put the seatbelt on. But yeah, it sounds a lot better. Y'all hear that, boy? It sounds a lot better. A lot. Like it's really growling. But we ain't got no gas, so we ain't gonna do too much. But yeah, YouTube. So we do have the mid muffler and the resonators deleted now. So it sounds really good. Next step is to get quad exhaust tips, just to give it some more little growl to it. So next step is them exhaust tips. So YouTube, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Your boy TC is out. Look at that, boy. That thing sounds good now. The fact that I have gas, I just have to let y'all hear this thing now. I'm gonna pop it at the light. And then y'all hear the cold air intake going off. Watch at the light how this thing sound when I take off. Let y'all hear it one time for the one time, then we gone. That'll be the end of the video completely. After y'all hear this thing sounds. That thing sound. I had to run the windows up now, but that thing sounds so good. I love it. I'm excited. Yeah, I like it. And I feel like, is it just me, or do you feel like when your car is like straight piped, you feel like it gets up a little bit quicker? I don't know, it might just be me, but I like it. I love it right now. I'm having fun. But that's the end of this video, YouTube. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what videos y'all want to see next, and I'll get them done for y'all. What you got?
That 92 Camaro across the street getting tinted.
Come on.